Might as well get Isaiah to add to this one and make them all like this. You know what I mean? What's up, Shane? Yo, your boy Phillip's in here. You might want to say something to him. Phillip Jason Lee.
Tell him I sent him a message. No.
Did you send it on Facebook?
Yeah, I sent it through Messenger.
Hey, Phillip, we sent you a message through Facebook Messenger when you picked up a team last week in one of our breaks. We don't have a shipping address for you. So, if you don't mind, try to find... Tal, we do have a couple teams available. We'll talk about it in a sec. Phillip, if you don't mind, look through your messages. Find the message from M Breaks, and
Maybe it's from me.
it might be from Travis directly. But make sure you send us a shipping address. We got some cards sitting for you. All right, Jacob. I hear you. So guys, we had a couple teams not pay. So all the teams did sell, but everybody except 2 teams paid. So we are going to offer up those teams. So the teams that are available are the Chiefs and the Buccaneers. So two pretty desirable teams there. And like I said, they didn't pay. So what we'll do is Chiefs and Bucks. If somebody wants both of them, we'll do $45 for both. And that's shipped. So as long as you already have a team, we can do Chiefs and Bucks for $45 for both. I'd like to sum them together because it makes it quicker for us, but if there's no takers, then we'll split them up. So anybody want the Chiefs and the Bucks for $45? Kyle was first, man. All right, Kyle, you get the extras again. Well, Tal did ask which teams are left. Are you sure, Kyle? All right. So Kyle's being nice. No, that's it, David. Those 2 teams. Everything sold tonight. We just had 2 people that stood us up. All right, Tal. It looks like they're yours. So I'm going to drop my PayPal ID in the chat. So send that $45 via PayPal. It is hot in here. All right, Tal. So while while Tal sends that payment, I'll run through a roll call here. So we have Bill D has the Broncos and Jags. Corey Baum has the Jets. David K has the Browns. Dustin Carson has the Chargers. Harrison Condon has the Seahawks. Jacob Sutter has the Vikes. James Horn has the Eagles. Jonathan Silverman has the Packers. Kyle Schuster has Bills and Lions. Mark Hopkins has Falcons and Panthers. Michael E has the Patriots. Michael P has the Cowboys. Ramon Santos has the 49ers. Sam Brooks has the Rams. Scott B has the Bengals, Texans, and Giants. Sergio H has the Titans. Shane H has the Raiders. Shane K has the Cardinals, Bears, and Colts. Shelby Thompson has the Dolphins. Stephen Krug has the Ravens. Tal W has the Steelers, Redskins, and just picked up the Chiefs and the Buccaneers. And Taylor Moore Jacobs has the Saints. So that's our roll call. Let me check PayPal to see if that payment's come through. Not yet. So Browns. Shoot, there's that. Have we pulled any good Browns? The question was. Who are you looking for, David? Like we pull, Baker gets pulled all the time, and we just pulled a bunch of Odells. See, Shelby, that was ignorant. She said, are there any good Browns? They said. That's wrong. All right, got it. That's wrong. See, I was trying to be polite. I'm a Redskins fan, so I can't make fun of any other teams. All right, Tal, we got your money. So, Tal, you're good, man. We got your money. So we're ready to go. All right, guys. Good luck to everybody. Whatever you do for good luck, now's the time. We have 2020 Optic. We have 3 cello packs. We have 2 hangers, which, to me, hangers are where it's at. And then we have the 1 mega box. So we'll go cellos, hangers, and then the mega. Oh, it didn't take a few minutes. You're good, man. Don't worry about it. So if we do, by chance, pull any rewards cards or Panini points cards, we do not ship those because of issues we've had with those being stolen. So just want to give you guys a heads up in case we do pull one. We normally don't pull them in Optic, though. So, all right. Yeah, exactly. Khalil Mack, Matt Stafford, Cooper Kupp, Christian McCaffrey, Saquon Barkley, Jeff Gladney. That looks like a green laser rookie to the Vikings. Damon Arnett. Is that not right? That's right. Oh, okay. Damon Arnett, base rookie to the Raiders. A.J. Brown, Keenan Allen, Mark Andrews, Alvin Kamara, and Nick Chubb. Oh, yeah, Nick Chubb. He's a good Brown. Georgia Bulldog, baby. What's up, Mama Bear? Nick Bosa. We need a house cleaner over here. Phillip Rivers. Tyrann Mathieu. Christian Wilkins. Mitch Trubisky. Ooh, nice hit here for the Steelers. I don't think we saw Chase in that big giant mixer we just had.
No, we didn't.
We didn't pull a single Claypool. But, man, I hope the same person got into this break because that's a nice one right there. It's a green laser Chase. Very nice. Very nice. Nice hit, Steelers. Antonio Gandy Golden rated rookie to my beloved Redskins. Kerryon Johnson, Chris Godwin, Josh Jacobs, Sam Darnold, and Von Miller.
Corey, that was the first Jet.
Oh, Tao. Let's see.
Corey asked if there was any Jet Set so far. That was just that.
Okay.
But we're only 2 packs in, Arthur.
Nice, Tao. That's a nice card right there, dude. Stephon Diggs, Danny Dimes, Zeke Elliott, George Kittle, Darius Leonard. Wow. Man, back to back. These packs are the bomb, son. CD Lamb. Nice green prism right there to the Cowboys. Who's got the Cowboys? Are they in the chat? Michael P., are you out there? Corey Baum and Michael P., y'all the same person? I don't know. But either way, congrats. That is a nice hit. Logan Wilson, rookie to the Bengals. A.J. Brown, Keenan Allen, Mark Andrews, Alvin Kamara, and Nick Chubb. All right. So, look, you might not get any more Browns, but I guess you're just going to get a Nick Chubb every pack. Let's get these bad boys on here. Got the receivers rolling. Now we just need a Justin Jefferson, right? Make the board complete with our receivers there. Tua, all right. Call him out. I've seen it work before. Right? Hey, keep it clean in the chat for the ladies. Oh my goodness. Nick Chubb, he's a player, man. I like him. All right. George Kittle, Darius Leonard, Travis Kelce, Mike Gesicki, DJ Moore, Keenan Allen, Mark Andrews, Alvin Kamara, Nick Chubb. This is ridiculous. Nick Chubb times 3. Oh, my goodness. Derek Carr. Woo! Man.
Is it Jefferson?
That is.
Negative.
This is a Justin Jefferson negative rated rookie variation. Man, there you go. Jacob, there you go, man. It's Justin's night. Nice card. Congrats. Shelby said, bring a towel. What is wrong with y'all? Here's a Devin Asiasi, and this is the silver prism. Remember that one night where we pulled like all the Patriot rookies prisms? Here's a Clyde, the rookies insert. Man, this hanger is fire, son. Nice Clyde right there. Nice hit to the Chiefs. There you go, Tal. That's why you pick up the extra teams right there, bud. And then a nice hit here for the Eagles. Jalen Hurts, Elite Series rookie insert. Man, nice card. Nice hit, Eagles. Wow. He said I'm going to Chubb downtown. Jeremy Chin, rookie to the Panthers. A downtown would be sweet.
Downtown.
You're the only one that ever pulls those.
Downtown.
Kenneth Murray, rookie to the Chargers. Low battery. Wow. A Chase rated rookie base to go with that sweet green prism. Man, Tal's killing it.
There he is.
Not to be outdone. You got to find one in every pack, Josh Usay.
Is that a camo?
Dude, I'm telling you, man, it looks like a variation. Guys, y'all tell me out there, this does not look like a variation, man. My buddy pulled one out of a pack earlier, and I was like, man, that's got to be a variation, right? But apparently he was just taking a walk in the neighborhood. I don't know.
Out in the woods.
But yeah, he's like, what's he camping? Like, what's he doing? DJ Dallas, blue scope to the Seahawks. And a T. Higgins, blue scope. Not the Bengal that we're necessarily looking for, but nice hit there to the Bengals. Man, this is kind of crazy. I'll give our quarterback some love there. Get Justin Jefferson on the board. And get Clyde up here. We'll let Chase share the spot with himself. All right. Nice looking board right there. Sorry about the glare, guys. There's not much I can do. When they're in the top loaders, man, they shine. Man, that was a sweet box. Jimmy G, Will Fuller, Tyreek Hill, Devontae Parker, Devin Bush, Julio Jones, Max Crosby, Stephon Gilmore, Baker Mayfield. Here we go, Browns, to go with your 8 Nick Chubbs. Juju Smith-Schuster, a Ben DiNucci, negative. Variation. Cool card there to the Cowboys. And DeAndre Hopkins, silver prism to the Cardinals. Nice card. Congrats, Cardinals. And a Dak Prescott, my house insert. He's pumped. Pumped to sign that contract. Tell you what, that's why I told you these hangers, man. These hangers. Joey B, the rookies insert. Congrats, Bengals. Nice hit right there. Not a prism, but a nice card. And then we have Damon Arnett. I think we already had him. Rookie to the Raiders. We have a Tommy Stevens. Rookie to the Saints. C.J. Henderson. Rated rookie to the Jags. Dalton Keene. All the Patriots are coming out. Blue scope rookie. Albert O. Blue scope rookie to the Broncos. Oh, my goodness. This is a nice card, bro. Boom! Man. I'll tell you, man. This break is straight fire. Justin Herbert, the blue scope. And if anybody looks good on blue, it's that guy. Man, congrats. Congrats, Chargers. What a hit. Nice card. Shoo. Man. My goodness. All right, Clyde's gonna have to go. And CD. We'll take CD off. I'm gonna have to start keeping hangers for myself, bro. Straight up, man. No more breaking hangers. All right, mega box time. I don't know who bought the Chargers. Dustin. I don't know if Dustin's out there, but if y'all know Dustin, tell him to watch the video. Because that's a cool hit right there. Two in there that are being stubborn. 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So there's our 10 packs. All right, mega box time. Good luck, guys. Yeah, look at that board. That's 2 hangers and 3 cellos right there, man. That's not bad. Tyler Boyd, Miles Sanders, Zeke Elliott, silver prism, and Cesar Ruiz, rookie, to the Saints. So we're still looking for Tua. Shelby's been calling him out. Cam Newton, Joe Mixon, Xavier McKinney. This is like a blue shimmer, I guess. And Terrell Lewis, rookie, to the Rams. Jason Kelsey, Aaron Rodgers, nice base card to the Packers. Darrell Taylor, silver rookie, and Colin Johnson, a rated rookie base to the Jags. Derrick Henry, Max Crosby, Lynn Bowden Jr., blue prism to the Raiders, and Patrick Queen, rookie, to the Ravens. Jim Brown downtown. Is that in the set? That would be sweet. Lamar Jackson to the Ravens. Cortland Sutton. Zeke Elliott Dominators. So Zeke's showing up. Cool card there to the Cowboys. And Darrell Taylor again. This is the base variety. To the Seahawks. All right. 5 packs left. I think the hangers have outperformed this mega box so far. Hopefully we pick it up right here. DeAndre Hopkins. Adam Thielen. Woo! Nice hit here. Eagles, Jalen Hurts, blue prism. Beautiful. To go with that Elite Series. And Yatir Gross-Matos, rookie to the Panthers. Man, the hits just keep on coming. We haven't seen Jordan Love. Saw him in the first break, though. That is a nice Hurts. I really do like the blue and the green. Like the colors they picked in Optic, I like a lot. I like them a lot better than the Prism colors. Like the pink and the bright green. DJ Chark, Matt Ryan, Jonathan Taylor, blue rated rookie. Man, nice hit there to the Colts. And Logan Wilson, rookie to the Bengals. All right, where's two? We haven't seen any Redskins rookies either. Besides, I think we saw Gandy Golden. Haven't seen my boy Chase yet. Bobby Wagner, Josh Allen, Kyle Duggar, blue prism, and Jacob Eason, rated rookie to the Colts. 2 more packs, and then we'll do a little recap, guys. If you haven't liked or followed us on Facebook, please do. All we do is send a reminder the day before or the day of our breaks, and we'll just have a little post that says, hey, we're breaking something tonight. If you're interested, click here and check it out. We do use 2 different eBay handles at M Brakes, so it is easier to find us if you're following us on Facebook. We'll never spam you. Chris Godwin, Josh Jacobs, a Jimmy Garoppolo My House insert. Man, he's yelling. I don't want to lose my job. Is that what he's saying? Man, what the heck? Another Chase Claypool. Congrats, Steelers. Steelers are cleaning up. Man. All right, last pack here. I think there is a mem card in here. It feels like it. We will recap everything if you missed any of these. Kerryon Johnson. Oh, man. I thought that was going to be another Herbert, but it's a Josh Kelly. Rookie Phenoms. Nice looking patch card there to the Chargers. Chargers having a nice break. Followed by a blue Clavon Chason to the Jags. And our last card of the night is Jeff Gladney, rookie to the Vikings. All right, so what should we do? Go through all of them or just the hits? There's a lot of hits. All right, we're going to go through the big stuff, guys. We're not going to go through everything. All right, so we had this patch card. We just pulled it. Joshua Kelly, rookie phenoms, nice looking blue patch to the Chargers. We had this nice Clyde, the rookies insert to the Chiefs. We had this T. Higgins to go along with this Joe Burrow rookie. So we had the T. Higgins blue scope prism and the Joe Burrow, the rookies insert. So not bad for the Bengals. This Jonathan Taylor, is that oh, that's a shimmer. So this Jonathan Taylor blue prism to the Colts. This nice CD Lamb to the Cowboys, green laser. This nice negative variation rated rookie Justin Jefferson to the Vikings. 2 Jalen Hurts cards. The Elite Series insert and this blue prism, Jalen Hurts. So nice night for the Eagles. And then the Steelers had a night because their big stud showed up 3 times. We had these 2 Chase Claypool rated rookies, and then we had the green laser. So very nice. Congrats, Steelers. And then the hit of the night had to be this Justin Herbert blue scope. Very nice. Nice hit right there. That's why you get the Chargers. So you got a chance to pull this guy. All right, guys. So please, I hope you guys had a good time. Please follow us, like us on Facebook. It does help us. And we'll do another. We have some more Optic stuff coming up next week. So if you're interested, keep an eye out. Thanks everybody who paid on time, and I hope you guys have a good night. See you.